Welcome to the Ultimate General Knowledge Marathon. This video contains 300 carefully selected GK questions and answers suitable for competitive exams across the globe. Whether you are preparing for national level civil services or state and university exams, this video is your one-stop solution for brushing up on world history, geography, politics, science, and more. Which gas is used for artificial ripening of fruits? Ethylene. Which is the largest temple complex in the world? Angkor Wat. Which Indian city is also known as the City of Pearls? Hyderabad. Which Indian state celebrates Onam as its major festival? Kerala. Which element has the highest melting point? Tungsten. Which river flows through the Grand Canyon? Colorado River. What is the process of water changing into vapor called? Evaporation. Who was the first Indian cricketer to score a triple century in Test cricket? Virender Sehwag. Which river originates from the Amarkantak Plateau? Narmada. Which Indian state is known for the Run of Kutch? Gujarat. Which organ is responsible for purifying blood? Kidneys. Who built the Meenakshi temple in Madurai? Nayaka dynasty. What is the unit used to measure the intensity of sound? Decibel. Which is the oldest living language in the world? Tamil. What is the chemical symbol of lead? Pb. Which Indian state is known for Chow dance? Jharkhand. Which sport is also known as the king of sports? Soccer, football. What is the name of the imaginary line that divides Earth into northern and southern hemispheres? Equator. Which Mughal monument is a blend of Hindu and Islamic architecture? Taj Mahal. Which river forms the boundary between Assam and Arunachal Pradesh? Brahmaputra. Which country is called the Land of the Thousand Lakes? Finland. What is the capital of North Korea? Pyongyang. Which Indian king is known for the Kalinga War? Ashoka. What is the name of the system of local self-government in villages? Panchayati Raj. Which state is famous for the Jallikattu festival? Tamil Nadu. What is the hottest continent on Earth? Africa. Who is the only Indian to win an Olympic gold medal in athletics? Neeraj Chopra. Which country has the world's largest population? India. What is the capital of Kazakhstan? Astana, now called Nur Sultan and reverted again. Which country has the largest Muslim population? Indonesia. Which Indian city is famous for sandalwood products? Mysuru. What is the chemical name of vitamin C? Ascorbic acid. Which is the longest beach in India? Marina Beach. What is the scientific study of earthquakes? Seismology. Which Indian classical dance originated in Odisha? Odissi. What is the name of the India-China border in Arunachal Pradesh? McMahon Line. Which gas is used to sterilize medical equipment? Ethylene oxide. What is the official language of Goa? Konkani. Which Indian city is located on the banks of the Mula Mutha rivers? Pune. Which Indian river flows through Rajasthan but does not reach the sea? Who is the father of modern physics? Galileo Galilei. The city of Kanpur, Ganga. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. Who is the author of the book, Ignited Minds? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Which city is known as the tea capital of India? Dibrugarh. Which mountain peak is the highest in India? Kanchenjunga. Which gas is known as Mars gas? Methane. Which dance form originated in Kerala and is known for facial expressions and elaborate makeup? Kathakali. Which mineral is used in the production of aluminium? Bauxite. Which Indian river is known as the lifeline of Chhattisgarh? Mahanadi. Which ancient university in India was a center for Vedic learning? Takshashila. Which Indian freedom fighter is called the father of the nation? Mahatma Gandhi. Which Indian city is known for its IT parks and tech industry? Bengaluru. What is the currency of South Africa? Rand. What is the process of conversion of milk into curd called? Fermentation. Which state is known as the land of the rising sun in India? Arunachal Pradesh. Which organ in the human body is known as the master gland? Pituitary gland. Which Indian river originates from the Gangotri glacier? Ganga. Which Indian city is known as the Steel City? Jamshedpur. What is the capital of Austria? Vienna. Who was the first Indian to go into space? Rakesh Sharma. What is the name of India's first artificial satellite? Aryabhat. What is the primary function of the root in a plant? Absorption of water and nutrients. Which Indian classical dance is performed with ghungroos, ankle bells? Kathak. Which Indian city is known as the cultural capital of India? Kolkata. Which vitamin is produced in the skin by exposure to sunlight? Vitamin D. Which Indian leader's birthday is celebrated as National Education Day? Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Which Indian state is famous for dhokra metal craft? Chhattisgarh. Which state is known for the folk art form Patachitra? Odisha. Which river flows through the Valley of Flowers? Pushpavati. Which scientist proposed the theory of relativity? Albert Einstein. Which element is needed for the formation of chlorophyll in plants? Magnesium. Which Mughal ruler wrote his autobiography, Baburnama? Babur. Which city is known as the City of Palaces? Kolkata. Which Indian state is famous for Kaziranga National Park? Assam. Which country is the largest producer of cotton? India. Which Indian city is known as the gateway to the south? Chennai. What is the scientific study of behavior and the mind called? Psychology. Which state is famous for the folk dance Gidha? Punjab. Which river originates from the Satpura range? Tapti. What is the chemical name for table salt? Sodium chloride. Which country has the highest number of islands? Sweden. What is the name of the longest railway platform in India? Habali Junction. Who discovered gravity? Isaac Newton. Which Indian city is known for its lock industry? Aligarh. What is the name of the process by which green plants make their food? Photosynthesis. Which river is called the sorrow of Odisha? Mahanadi. Which animal is the symbol of the World Wildlife Fund? Panda. Which is the fastest bird in the world? Peregrine falcon. Which Mughal ruler built the tomb of Itimad-ud-Daulah, Noor Jahan? Which state is known for the famous rock-cut Elephanta caves? Maharashtra. Which Indian city is known as the spiritual capital of India? Varanasi. What is the chemical formula of methane? Which state celebrates the Hornbill festival in December? Nagaland. Which Indian ruler is known for his 9 jewels or Navratnas? Akbar. Which city is known as the electronic city of India? Bengaluru. Which Indian king wrote the book, Niti Shastra? Chanakya. Which is the largest river in India by volume? Brahmaputra. What is the hardest known natural material? Diamond. Which Indian city is famous for Kalamkari paintings? Machilipatnam. Which type of government is defined as, of the people, by the people, for the people? Democracy. What is the study of insects called? Entomology. Which Indian dance form is performed in temples of Tamil Nadu? Bharatnatyam. Which is the most spoken language in the world? English. Which is the largest lake in Africa? Lake Victoria. Who is considered the architect of modern India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Which Indian city is famous for hand block printing? Jaipur. Which Indian festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Diwali. Which is the only active volcano in India? Barren Island. Which tree is known as the flame of the forest? Palash. Who was the founder of the Indian National Congress? Alan Octavian Hume. Which Indian monument is known for its acoustic engineering? Gol Gumbaz. Which Indian port is the oldest operational port? Kolkata Port. Which Indian state is the leading producer of spices? Kerala. What is the name of the planet known for its beautiful rings? Saturn. Which Indian state is known as the land of festivals? Nagaland. What is the full form of Wi-Fi? Wireless fidelity. Which Indian state has the highest population density? Bihar. Which international organization publishes the Human Development Index? UNDP, United Nations Development Programme. Which Mughal emperor was defeated in the Battle of Haldighati? Akbar. Victor. Maharana Pratap was the Rajput ruler. Which Indian state is the leading producer of silk? Karnataka. Which gas is used to fill weather balloons? Hydrogen. Which mountain pass connects Srinagar to Leh? Zojila Pass. Which Indian city is known for its toy industry in Channapatna? Bengaluru. Which soil is most suitable for growing cotton? Black soil. What is the term for animals that chew cud? Ruminants. Which Mughal emperor built the Agra fort? Akbar. Which is the smallest national park in India? South Button Island National Park. Which is the largest island in the Andaman or Nicobar Islands? Middle Andaman. Which river flows through the city of Srinagar? Jhelum. Who wrote the book, Poverty and Un-British Rule in India? Dadabhai Naoroji. What is the name of the fastest supercomputer in India as of 2023? Param Siddhi AI. Which Indian state is known for the Pushkar camel fair? Rajasthan. Which Mughal emperor was also a great poet and wrote in Persian? Bahadur Shah Zafar. What is the function of hemoglobin? Transport oxygen. What is the deepest lake in the world? Lake Baikal. Which element is used in the manufacture of glass? Silica. Which Indian festival marks the beginning of the spring season? Vasant Panchami. Who was the first female IPS officer of India? Kiran Bedi. Which river is known as the sorrow of Assam? Brahmaputra. Which is the capital of Cambodia? Phnom Penh. What is the primary occupation in rural India? Agriculture. Which state is the leading producer of tea in India? Assam. What is the name of India's first interplanetary mission? Mangalyaan, Mars Orbiter mission. Which is the largest dam in India? Terry Dam. What is the basic unit of all living organisms? Cell. What is the currency of Switzerland? Swiss franc. What is the process of removing salt from seawater called? Desalination. Who was the founder of the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO? Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. Which river forms the delta at Sundarbans? Ganga and Brahmaputra. Which Indian city is famous for bidriware metal handicrafts? Bidar. What is the currency of Singapore? Singapore dollar. Which Indian freedom fighter formed the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association? Bhagat Singh. Which Indian river is famous for its marble rocks? Narmada. Which city is known as the Silk City of India? Bhagalpur. Which organ in the human body regulates body temperature? Hypothalamus. What is the state animal of Punjab? Blackbuck. What is the name of India's longest expressway, as of 2023? Purvanchal Expressway. Which state is the highest producer of sugarcane in India? Uttar Pradesh. Which is the largest zoo in India? Arignar Anna Zoological Park, Vandalur Zoo, Chennai. What is the name of the traditional dress of women in Assam? Mekhela Chador. Which river flows through the city of Ahmedabad? Sabarmati. What is the scientific name of wheat? Triticum aestivum. Which is the only country to have a flag with a single color? Libya, historically, green flag under Gaddafi. Which Indian leader is called the Grand Old Man of India? Dadabhai Naoroji. What is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. Which Indian state is known for the Kumbhalgarh Fort? Rajasthan. Which planet has a day longer than its year? Venus. Which Indian Prime Minister introduced economic liberalization in 1991? P.V. Narasimha Rao. What is the official language of Tripura? Bengali and Kokborok. Which Indian city is known as the Detroit of Asia? Chennai. Which state is famous for the hornbill bird? Nagaland. Which mountain range runs parallel to the western coast of India? Western Ghats. Which water body separates Andaman Islands from Nicobar Islands? 10-degree channel. What is the study of stars and planets called? Astronomy. Which vitamin is responsible for blood clotting? Vitamin K. What is the largest coral reef system in the world? Great Barrier Reef. Who is the author of India Wins Freedom? Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. What is the name of the international border between India and China? McMahon Line. Which Indian city is famous for its blue painted buildings? Jodhpur. Which Indian state is known for the Bhil tribe? Madhya Pradesh. What is the capital of Netherlands? Amsterdam. Which Indian port is the largest in terms of cargo handled? Kandla, Deen Dayal Port. Which Indian festival involves decorating bulls and cattle? Mattu Pongal. Which state in India is known for Lippan art, mud mirror work? Gujarat. Which Indian state has the highest number of districts? Uttar Pradesh. Which vitamin is produced in the human body when exposed to sunlight? Vitamin D. Which Indian state is known for the Jhiro Music Festival? Arunachal Pradesh. Which Indian monument is called the symbol of eternal love? Taj Mahal. What is the scientific name of rice? Oryza sativa. Which Mughal emperor built the tomb of his wife Arjumand Banu Begum? Shah Jahan. Which festival is celebrated by the Sikh community to mark the harvest? Baisakhi. What is the deepest point in the ocean? Mariana Trench. Which river forms the Niagara Falls? Niagara River. What is the full form of NABARD? National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Which Indian leader was called Frontier Gandhi? Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Which is the longest tunnel in India as of 2023? Atal Tunnel. What is the largest living bird? Ostrich. Which Indian state is known for its Gharana-style Hindustani classical music? Uttar Pradesh. Which state is famous for the Hemis festival? Ladakh. What is the unit of electric current? Ampere. Who founded the Mauryan dynasty? Chandragupta Maurya. Which Indian city is known as the pensioners' paradise? Mysuru. Which Indian leader was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1992 posthumously? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. What is the name of the mission for the cleaning of the Ganga River? Namami Gange. Which organ in the human body is responsible for detoxification? Liver. Which is the only planet that rotates on its side? Uranus. Who was the last emperor of the Mughal dynasty? Bahadur Shah Zafar. Which Mughal queen was the first to issue coins in her name? Noor Jahan. Which Indian city hosts the Sula Fest music festival? Nashik. What is the oldest written text in India? Rig Veda. Which Indian river flows through the most number of states? Yamuna. Which planet has the largest number of natural satellites? Saturn. What is the capital of Yemen? Sana'a. What is the tallest waterfall in the world? Angel Falls. Which Indian city is known for the folk art form Madhubani? Madhubani. What is the longest bone in the human body? Femur. Which Indian state has the largest number of beaches? Andhra Pradesh. Who was the first Indian woman to win a gold medal at the Asian Games in athletics? Kamaljeet Sandhu. Which tree is known for producing latex? Rubber tree. Which Indian freedom fighter authored Discovery of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the world's highest motorable road located in India? Amling La Pass. Which Indian port is a natural harbour? Mumbai Port. Which Indian state has the maximum number of tiger reserves? Madhya Pradesh. What is the national river of India? Ganga. Which gas is responsible for the depletion of the ozone layer? Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. What is the Indian Standard Time, IST, in relation to GMT? Jor Sadhe Panch. What is the primary diet of pandas? Bamboo. Which Indian state is famous for its floating lake? Manipur, Loktak Lake. Which planet has the slowest rotation? Venus. Which temple is famous for erotic sculptures in Madhya Pradesh? Khajuraho Temple. Which state in India is known as the Spice Garden? Kerala. Which is the smallest warship in the Indian Navy? INS Astradharani. Who is considered the founder of Ayurveda? Charaka. Which Indian state is known for Bhavai folk theatre? Gujarat. What is the main component of natural gas? Methane. Which Indian king defeated Alexander's general Seleucus Nicator? Chandragupta Maurya. Which city is known as the land of black diamonds? Dhanbad. Which is the first Indian company to reach a market capitalization of $100 billion? Reliance Industries. Which Indian state is famous for the toy industry in Kondapalli? Andhra Pradesh. Which gas turns limewater milky? Carbon dioxide. What is the minimum age to become a member of the Rajya Sabha? 30 years. Which wildlife sanctuary in India is known for one-horned rhinoceros? Kaziranga National Park. Which Indian state is the leading producer of groundnut? Gujarat. Who is the author of The Argumentative Indian? Amartya Sen. Which Indian state is famous for the Singalila Ridge? West Bengal. Which Indian city is known as the City of Oranges? Nagpur. Which bird is known for its mimicry skills? Parrot. Which freedom fighter is associated with the phrase Inqilab Zindabad? Bhagat Singh. Which Indian leader was called Netaji? Subhas Chandra Bose. What is the most abundant metal in the Earth's crust? Aluminium. Which Indian state is known for the Toda tribe? Tamil Nadu. Which planet has the strongest gravity? Jupiter. Which Mughal emperor built Shalimar Bagh in Srinagar? Jahangir. Which element is used in making nuclear weapons and energy? Uranium. Who is considered the father of Green Revolution in India? M.S. Swaminathan. Which Indian festival marks the end of winter and start of spring? Holi. What is the chemical formula of washing soda? Which Indian city is known as the Queen of the Arabian Sea? Who was the first Indian to receive the Bharat Ratna? C. Rajagopalachari. Which planet has no moons? Mercury. What is the capital of Serbia? Belgrade. Which river is known as the Sorrow of China? Huanghe, Yellow River. Which Indian city is home to the Lingaraja Temple? Bhubaneswar. Which country invented paper? China. Which Indian state has the highest number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites? Maharashtra. Who is regarded as the father of the Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Which gas is used for artificial respiration? Oxygen. Which Indian state is famous for the Zanskar Range? Ladakh. What is the study of universe beyond Earth called? Astronomy. Which is the oldest stock exchange in India? Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE. Which vitamin is found in citrus fruits? Vitamin C. Which is the most abundant element in the universe? Hydrogen. Which Indian leader established the Shanti Niketan? Rabindranath Tagore. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? Jupiter. Who was the first Indian woman to win a Grand Slam title? Sania Mirza. What is the most populous city in the world as of 2023? Tokyo. What is the national fruit of Bangladesh? Jackfruit. Which Indian state has the most number of rivers? Kerala. Which Indian city is famous for Pichwai painting? Nathdwara. What is the study of rocks called? Petrology. Which is the only Indian state that shares borders with 3 countries? Sikkim. What is the name of the Indian Mars mission? Mangalyaan. Which Indian river flows through the city of Cuttack? Mahanadi. Which state is known as the fruit bowl of India? Himachal Pradesh. Which bird can rotate its head 270 degrees? Owl. Which dam is built on the Krishna River? Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. Which Indian leader gave the slogan, Swaraj is my birthright? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. What is the deepest lake in India? Manasbal Lake. What is the smallest bird in the world? Bee hummingbird. What is the longest river in Europe? Volga. Which Indian state is known for the Sangee deer? Manipur. Which instrument measures atmospheric pressure? Barometer. Which animal can sleep for up to 22 hours a day? Which Indian city is known for Tanjore paintings? Thanjavur. Which river is associated with the city of Patna? Ganga. Which country is the largest producer of rice in the world? China. What is the national bird of Bhutan? Raven. Please like, share or subscribe.